Hello. Good evening, guys. Whatever part you're watching us, guys, this is Trader King. Yes. Hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Okay. Hello. Morning, good evening, good afternoon. Let's allow more people to join. Tap the screen, guys. Share the live. My name is Trader Kim. I'll be checking what we're going to be expecting this week in the market. It has been a very month on this side, and also has been a very busy week for us. So let's allow more people to join, then we proceed. We'll be checking on how to expect this week in the market. And as we can see that this week is a very busy week in the market. So we're going to be looking on the weekly outlook in the market, the weekly what to expect in the market, how should we position ourselves in the market, and most important, how are we going to positioning ourselves in the market. So let's allow more people to join. So my name is Trader Kim. So maybe you can let me know on your side, do not to join from Wapi. Maybe on the TikTok chat, you can let me know where you are joining us from. And welcome to the session. Welcome to the session. So actually going to be having this session over the weekend so that we can see what we project the whole of this week so that after the end of the week, we can come and check what happened in the market. So basically these are sessions more about what we'll be expecting on the dollar, what we'll be expecting on gold, and also the market trends. Yes, and to be a consistent forex trader, a lot need to be desired. Okay, a lot need to be desired. And maybe as we start, guys, you can let me know not to join from Wapi as we check on what to expect in the market. Okay, it has been a very busy a month, and maybe we can go to check on what did we get last month. Okay, what did we get last month based on what we were trading. So for us, we usually trade gold. For the people who have known me, we trade gold. I'm a part of MFG with a very big team. Here in MFG, we have a lot of traders, a lot of top traders. And our desire is to see you making it in this forex industry. For me, I've been in this business for 6 years. And let me tell you guys that it works. It works. As long as you treat this forex as a business, it works. Forex as a business, believe me, you guys. I want to go directly to see how was the performance before we go to the weekly outlook on the market. And checking on the performance of last month has been very good. Talking about if we start with the 2.2 It is one of the top setup that top strategy that we have here in MFG. And you can see we got about 30%, that's 7%. That's 7% in a month. That's very, very big. That's very, very amazing. That 7%, it means that even if you could have a pro farm, you could have passed the phase 1, you could have passed the phase 2, and also you could be you could have gotten the first payout, okay, on the 2.2 strategy. So for this strategy, it's a very, very simple strategy. As you usually know that our strategy are very, very simple. We don't complicate our strategy. Like this is the strategy of the 2.2 strategy. Okay, this is the strategy 2.2. Like don't complicate yourself. Okay, don't complicate yourself. Maybe you can try to zoom on this strategy. Okay, and I usually say that a strategy is only 10% in forex. You know, don't rely so much on the strategies. Okay, don't focus so much on the strategies, because for this one is all about 10%. It's only 10%. Okay, 60% is the psychology. Then we have 30% on the risk management. So this is the strategy of the 2.2. So this is how it performed the month of May. Okay, this is how it performed the month of May. And you can see it's a very simple strategy, only 3 points. Like telling me, where can you find a 3 points? Only 3 points. Our strategy is only 3. We don't complicate our strategies. Okay, but not say that this strategy is 100%. No, this strategy is not 100%, but you can see it works. Something that works, because by the end of the month, you're going to find yourself, you're just a profitable trader. Okay. And if you want to get to access this strategy, you can text me. I'm going to be helping you on how to get this plan. A very, very simple plan. The plan is only like the strategy is only 3 points. Then the rest is the risk management. Because for you to have a strategy, you should have a risk management. Okay. We only trade only one candlestick. Only trade one candlestick. That's between 1 to 2. Even if you're a busy person, between 1 to 2, you can even tell yourself that I'm going to be trading this strategy, and you can see so far how the result of this strategy has been. It has been very, very, very awesome. Even if you are not going to wake up from maybe in the morning, junior or session, you can take advantage of this 2.2 strategy, and it works. The good thing, guys, it works, because check it. Tell me, where are you going to get to be getting like a 30% in a month? Even if you're going to be investing maybe into the treasury bonds, you cannot get 30% in a month. Okay, even if maybe you're going to be buying maybe the NSA, maybe the shares, telling me where are you going to be getting 30%. Okay, so but I'm not saying that this study is 100%. I'm not saying that this study is 100%, because we know the best strategy in the world have a win rate of 65%. For us, yet we go about 85%, 75 to 85%. So it means that by the end of the month, you're going to be finding yourself at least profitable trader. Number one, we usually say that make sure that your capital is protected. Together, make sure that your capital is protected. Number two, try to keep that capital, and just repeat the same thing again and again. Okay, that's the secret for you to survive in this market. So checking on the 2.2, this was the performance. I want us to summarize so that we can check on what we're expecting this week in the market. So talking about this month, the month of May, you can see we had that 7%. That's for the 2.2 strategy. Let's go to another strategy, that is the 2.6 strategy. So the 2.6 strategy, this is the screenshot of it, or this is the plan of the 2.6 strategy. Also, it is the three points only strategy. Okay, then the rest is the risk management. We usually say that don't complicate your strategy. And together, don't complicate your strategy. At least try to make it simple and clear. That's the way, guys. There's no shortcut in Forex, guys. There's no shortcut. You know, if you want shortcut, yes, today you can flip an account of $100 to $1,000. Yes, but how long are you going to be doing that? How long are you going to be flipping the account? So that's always my question. So let's try to treat this Forex as a business. And trust me, by the end of the month, by the end of the week, guys, you're going to be finding yourself just a profitable trader. But most of us, we come into this business, okay? We come into this business, into this Forex with a mindset of gambling. And that's why you are going to be getting the gambling results. So let's allow more people to join. So tap the screen on your end. Let's allow more people to join. Yes. Tap the screen. Let's allow more people to join as we discuss what we are going to be expecting on this week. And let me tell you guys, it works. It works. Let me tell you guys, it works. If it is something that was not working, I could not be doing this thing, guys. But tell me on a month you have 30%, you have 10%. It means even if you purchase a profile, finding yourself by the end of the month, you have about $1,000. You're good to go, guys. Okay, you are good to go.